Are there cable management boxes with built-in USB chargers? In today's technology-driven world, managing cables can often become a daunting task. With numerous devices requiring power and connectivity, clutter can quickly accumulate. This is where cable management solutions come into play, and one innovative option that has gained popularity is the cable management box with built-in universal serial bus chargers. These boxes serve a dual purpose. They not only conceal and organize unsightly cords, but also provide convenient charging options for various devices. Many of these boxes are designed to accommodate multiple cables, allowing users to store chargers, power strips, and cords neatly out of sight. The built-in universal serial bus chargers typically feature multiple ports, enabling users to charge several devices simultaneously, which is particularly useful in homes or offices with multiple gadgets. When looking for cable management boxes with built-in universal serial bus chargers, it is essential to consider the box's size and capacity. Some models are compact and designed for small spaces, while others are larger and can hold more equipment. Additionally, the number of charging ports can vary, with some boxes offering 2 ports, while others may provide 4 or more, catering to different charging needs. Another factor to consider is the charging speed. Many modern cable management boxes with built-in universal serial bus chargers support fast charging technology, allowing devices to charge more quickly than standard options. This feature can be particularly beneficial for users who are always on the go and need their devices powered up in a hurry. Moreover, the materials used in these boxes can affect their durability and aesthetic appeal. Many are made from high-quality plastics or wood finishes, ensuring they blend seamlessly into various home or office decors. Some even come with additional features such as surge protection, which safeguards devices from power surges, adding an extra layer of security. In summary, cable management boxes with built-in universal serial bus chargers are not only practical but also enhance the overall organization of your space. They provide a neat solution to the common problem of tangled cords while offering the convenience of charging multiple devices at once. As technology continues to evolve, these multifunctional products are likely to become even more prevalent, making them a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to streamline their electronic setup.